出国那个 Schlemm 中有农山戏嘛。
We also mentioned to him regarding the fact that in his last visit to Shillong, there were many organizations who wanted to meet the Honorable Home Minister, but because of the constraint of time, he was not able to meet. And he had suggested that they should come to the Parliament during this period. So in the meantime, during this particular phase, the Honorable Home Minister has made a plan to make a 2 full-day visit to Shillong to discuss on the revamping of the NEC. So the Honorable Home Minister will spend 2 days in Shillong, and he has urged that instead of all the organizations having to spend and all the inconvenience being caused that they have to come here, he has suggested that he will give enough time to all the organizations that want to meet him in Shillong during his 2-day visit, which will happen in the month of March, which is next month itself. Individuals, in a joking manner, he even mentioned that he will have lunch with everybody, he will discuss with everybody. He said, I will spend hours because it's an important issue, it concerns the nation, and it's something that as a government, Meghalaya government, we have been mentioning about it a lot. So all these
Kalian jungi ke sorkar ke state government ni ngalai thu ipi mana kini kesengiru bah kelas kepenyewan syadeli ngabusian ngila ai biang ke reminder ngikwa bani kundu yo Amit Shah akan ni kelas kepenyewan ke trip kepenyewan Chapo Delhi tinrai undon marwai kan bas election keleng dia ultimately nak kalian ke office jong CM ula pha biang ke reminder dia hadu mentangi dang ya api ta namar ba demo uhi yang siau bakular Hakatuka last meeting ke bengi kendu ong ba mendot kam ban pawan ya kinegi seng balang Chapo Delhi ngan wan hi manga ban udah keren syai ba usa la pengomul wong arsi ngan sa ban ngani kendu lut ya baro den rei ya tungku no kani election dengan tip ka jimut jung tang balong nga hadu mentah ngin yang sorkar ngi dampat ya ta ka ba ulak kulap teleksi to mentau benai umla ban dengan kermen skem ni ban ladep kani election la pemu ude pendep ya kular nomor kani ke kular pun hakmat jong UCM barakmat jonga marakmat ukular ba nganwan kenang Chapo Meghalaya bani kendu ya kinegi stakeholders ke beper halo kinegi isu joka MP
phim simpat bagani ke resolution ke blasim hi da ka yeng dorbar bag lalu bafila ban submit se Delhi tina kaliang menteri ke korbari akajing shaula de ban ai ka jing pentip kanu jing pentip am ulat nyumlat kamde kan ka jing insting ya ka sarkar
hi ya kata ngam ong mo insting num insting tan ka we ka bangai ngam pinga stick ya ka bulau namar kata ka last meeting ka bengi kendu ka ba udah keren ni ka sai ba yau CM yang ngau ai ka assurance kolomba ngan sawanhi kana mangani kendu lut iki stakeholders hapo islo ngan wan beg ladi ngan syong hapo slong ngan penting na bangani kendu iki stakeholders
Menteri Kumbakalong mentah gini isang malam kinum trek ban snap ne ban upshoot. Kiong penpana de kijing yaki iban kata ekasukasan. Pina kalian sorkar itu dengan
nakaliang cunga na suka ban ong takan di ba nakaliang cungi kesorkar ngim tiang ngim syong hadu ba home minister joka rindia ude banwan namar ka ke kular cunga trai kan long beach lada unsim sting namar lek kan uhet joka sting ban ya keren napo Delhi baru ba yo assurance napo nak senturi jong yun home minister ngatrai kan long beach to tengah kermen ni bala komunu unsim kia ini kan kam de kam kelum kena nembetu ka banga kerpat igi sembalang to ya syak naman ngiru maredep kena election Garo Hills ngin yalet biang city Delhi sai sempat but nga kermen sken bahagan ni ka hakini ki por lesi namar bakidon ki jela ki bala nang ya dep ya ke election nga kermen sken ba la komunu ulala lesi ban penbek sengi ban penbek ya lanu berunwan sini siapa jela cumi hapo slong kumba ular-ular kumau pihak kemacung si embar kemacung